Struggling with cookie settings in Firefox? In this tutorial, learn how to fix the "We've detected a problem with your cookie settings" error. Open Firefox browser access menu options. Select Privacy and Security Clear. Cookies and cache click on Clear Data. Ensure both cookies and site data and cached web content are checked. Click Clear, confirming that this may log you out of websites. Restart computer. Reopen Firefox. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.